Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this basket. I got all of this stuff from the Dollar Tree, as the title suggests, and I could not believe it when I saw this stuff on the end cap, and they were advertising it for Mother's Day, most of the stuff shown here, and I literally could not pass it up. I thought that this would make a great video with Mother's Day coming up, but really this would be a great gift for anybody. Like, I would love to receive this. I might honestly just gift this to myself because I'm a mom and I deserve it, right? Anyway, so I started off with this pot and added in these crinkly papers, and then I just took the body wash and the bath soak and put it in first. I went with the scent coconut oil and sea salt. There's a few different ranges, but this one just smelled the best to me. And I took this headband, took the tag off because the tag looked a little bit cheap to me, so I just took the tag off because I thought the headband was super cute for like a nice soak in the bath to keep your hair out of your face. And as you can see, I'm just kind of rearranging everything that I got to make it all fit. That's basically the gist of making a basket, is just kind of maneuvering everything until it fits nicely. And I'm literally doing this with one hand, as you can probably tell by the shaky footage. But I couldn't find a piece to my tripod, so I had to use my hand. But I just wanted to get this out there for you guys so you guys didn't miss out on grabbing this stuff, even for yourself. I thought that these eye pads were super cool. You can put them in the fridge and then just put them on your eyes, and they're shaped like cucumbers because of like the classic facial cucumber. And then this candle that I'm about to pick up and like hardcore show you is because I am obsessed. I could not believe that they had this. These are like the nicest quality candles that I've seen at the Dollar Tree. And it's in this cute little mason jar, so even after the candle's burnt out, you can totally use this and store things in it. And here I am continuing to struggle with where to put this. Comment down below where you would have put this. I kind of nuzzled it in right here, and it fit good, and I think in the end it ended up looking cute. But let me know where you would have put it. So now you can just put all the final touches on where your stuff is gonna go. And I think that the basket definitely looks finished as it is, but I found these plastic bags that you can wrap around the basket at the Dollar Tree as well. It comes with 2 of them, so technically they're only 50 cents. And I just took one of the bags and put the basket in it, as you can see. And then I have like the world's largest tool collection, so I just took a piece of tulle and wrapped it around in a little bow, and I think it kind of just adds like a polished look that you almost bought this from somewhere for a lot more than the $10 total I think that it is. Let me know who you're gonna give your basket to, yourself or somebody else. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!